Let us learn about letter D. For that, please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring more such videos for you. Kids, hi, welcome back to see another channel. So are you ready for the journey? How do we say it? Mama D, baby D. Mama D, baby D. Now let's trace it. One standing line and one curved line. Like this. Very good. One standing line and one curved line. And how do we write small d? One curve, C, and one standing line. One small C and one standing line. Good job. Now, repeat after me. Dog. Dog. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Drum. Drum. Doll. Doll. Door. And the last one, duck. Duck. Very good. Now, shall we play one game? We have to choose the object. Start from letter D. Alright kids, so let us start. The first one, the donut. Very good. The donut starts from letter D. Let's pick the donut in our basket. Now next is the diamond. Yes, diamond also in our basket. Next is the doll, goes in our basket. Kids, can you spot another object from letter D? Think. Is it cow? Or is it pot? Or is it duck? Right, the duck. And the last one, can you spot? Is it snail or clock? No, it is the dolphin. Right. Good job. See you in the next video. Take care and lots of love. Bye-bye.